it originally had a wooden floor instead of steel with a plank floor. They used to cross the horse and buggies and cars and everything else.
There used to be a toll booth.
There used to be a toll booth on the other end in Ohio.
We're sitting in Russell, Kentucky, and that is Ironton, Ohio. The memories I have of the bridge are driving across it to go cruising in Ironton.
That's where we used to go get a beer across the pond.
Across the pond.
That's what we used to call it, across the pond.
Yeah, for a long time, Russell, Kentucky, well, Greenup County, Kentucky was dry. And Lawrence County, Ohio was definitely not dry.
That's where we went to get beer.
What were those little things that you guys used to drink, Dad? Hold on.
Kings?
We used to take the bridge to go to Kroger's in Ironton because Margaret always did her shopping there.
My brother worked over there.
Margaret was my mama.
She would buy enough food to try to last for a month, so we'd have a car full of stuff.
And my brother, I said my brother worked over, but I still know a boy that used to work the toll booth. His name's Mike. In fact, that's where Mike met his wife, Henrietta Hurley.
She met him going through the toll booth. But you used to have to pay a toll when you went across, so that's helped pay for the bridge.
And it paid for the bridge 10 times over, probably.
Yeah.
How much was the toll?
I don't remember how much it was.
Yeah, it was 25 cents a ticket, or you could buy 5 tickets for $1.
Yeah.
So a ticket, did that get you back and forth? Or just
No,
one way?
just one way. You had to give him a ticket every time you went over.
And of course, there wasn't any place to go drink and dance here in Kentucky, so everybody went to Ironton.
Yeah, we all used to go to the
over
bars.
there.
But we give that up.
Then we come back across the bridge and go to the old Russell YMCA and eat breakfast.
My friend Paul Martin that I work with now, he worked on the toll booth too.
Did he?
Mm-hmm.
Henrietta probably went over more than she needed to because she thought Mike was cute.
There was a falcon on top there. I wonder if they got it there. I mean, moved it.
Yeah, sometime in the early 2000s, they shut down the sidewalk on it because there was a falcon up there and it had babies, and falcons are very territorial, and it was attacking people.
Yeah.
There's the guys working. That's on the very end of the bridge. That's the sort of... No, that's on the crane. The crane on the barge. Well, up here, there's guys on the bridge. The very end of the bridge. That'd be a really creepy place to be. Wow. Sorry it's shaky. When you zoom in like this, there's a lot of shake. Wow.
I don't really know.
Under the bridge downtown. Do, 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 do.
I hope they get it put together in time for 5 o'clock traffic.
And on the side of the new bridge is a mural representing special things from Ironton, Ohio. So this is the view from under the bridge. We were at that rich station on the other side. We were showing the murals. And this bridge comes in a few streets up from what the other bridge did. Has a long on-ramp. Right there's the beginning. And our old bridge is right up there, the entrance.